Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, in my channel, I love to do home decorating, tablescape, anything when it comes to tablescape, I can do it. And of course, mostly some of them are glam, shabby chic, farmhouse, sometimes Tuscan tablescape. So if you're into this kind of content, this is the channel for you. And I hope in my channel you will get some inspiration how to decorate your home, either for holidays or every day. Everyone, in today's video, I am collaborating with my friend inspired by Chanel. In her channel, she mostly do a lot of tablescape. Any kind of tablescape, she has that in her channel. She also do DIY inspired by Chanel. And as you can see, her channel is Chanel, so most of her DIY are inspired by Chanel. She also do a shop with me, so please check her channel. And after you watch my video, please go over to her channel and tell her I sent you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. So today guys, I am collaborating with Inspired by Chanel. We are doing the white and gold tablescape. So guys, in my creation, I will show you how to create an elegant and very classic look in white and gold tablescape. And I hope you enjoy watching this video and get some inspiration how I create this item. Alright, let's get this started. This runner came from Home Goods 2 years ago. And I believe this is 32 inches. That's why I have two of them to get this full look. Here, my charger came from Goodwill, napkin ring from Hobby Lobby, and my napkin from Amazon. This bowl right here came from Z Gallery, and I have this for 2 years. Salad plate also from Home Goods, and same thing with my dinner plates. Here, the head of the table napkin ring came from Hobby Lobby, and my bowl from Home Goods.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. No, we run the show.
My silverware are thrifted. You guys see this all the time in my tablescape. But if some of you don't know, this one is thrifted. Everyone, once again, this table setting is a high and low. I have items from thrift store, Z Gallery, and Home Goods. And also from Hobby Lobby. My candlestick came from Hobby Lobby, and same thing with my candles. And here, the crystal candle holder came from Home Goods. will show you the reveal.
I can feel the heat.
Hi everyone, welcome to my white and gold elegant tablescape, and I hope you enjoy.
No, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, let's control. Get to live, we get to off. Come on, shine a little tonight.
I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to all my subscribers who always watching my videos, to all the creators and also to non-content creators that you guys are always here giving me comments in my videos. Even though sometimes I wasn't able to reply to all my comments, but you guys are still here and supporting me all the time. And to all Filipinos who are watching my videos, maraming salamat po palagi sa pagpanood nyo ng video ko. Charger from Goodwill, dinner plates from Home Goods, salad plate from Home Goods, valve from Z Gallery, napkin from Amazon, and napkin ring from Hobby Lobby.
I've been high, I've been low, I've been chasing all the things I never had before. All the way down by the river, I found a place where I can drown the old you. And when you look in the
My goblets from Mark's grocery store, and it was 99 cents.
sparkle in a diamond and the southern sunset. Oh, I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All the things I going on. I didn't know it.
My vase is recently hauled from at home, and this one is 50% off, and I only paid $13 for it. And my flowers came from Bed Bath and Beyond. They are also on sale for 50%, and I only paid, I believe, $14 for it.
I've been down. I've been taking chances that I
And
never
everyone, this is the nighttime look.
all the way
So I hope you enjoy watching these videos, and what I did here, I shopped my home. The only thing which is new here is my vase and my flower arrangement. The same thing with the cake stand. That one came from Target and it was $16. It is recently hauled.
sudden sunset.
But most of these items is already in my stash for, I believe, 2 years. The plates from Home Goods is already for 2 years, and the rest are probably a year or 3. So guys, if you're able to shop your home and create an elegant tablescape like this, you are very welcome. And everyone, if you want to recreate this tablescape, I would like to show it to me so that I will get some inspiration from you as well. I'm very happy that you can show it to me. Also, if you can share it to my Instagram, and I'm going to shout you out in my channel, same thing in my Instagram.
I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All the things I'd going on. I didn't know it could be that strong. Just let go and carry on. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All the things I'd going on. Didn't know
And to all people around the world, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Everyone, this video is also a part of an open collaboration of Alice and Wonderland Spring Tea Party on April 20th at 7 p.m. So if you like to participate, all the details is on my community tab.
Pero yo te quisiera más que mil mujeres y no hay que doler pa' sanar y cerrar esta herida y se siente vivir cuando no estás.
Everyone, don't forget to stop by at Inspired by Chanel's channel and give her some love and tell her I sent you. And if you like my videos, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell twice so all the time I upload videos you will be notified.
El pasado y esos besos, pero los dos nos amaríamos como antes. Es que no es la realidad, pero si fuera verdad, creo que me parará todo ese dolor. Pero no me llevará a donde yo quiera estar sin una imaginación a tu alrededor. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo
Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.